Hey guys, welcome back to my small engine repair channel. Today I want to show you guys a common mistake that some of my customers make with their lawn tractor just to try to save a few bucks. So I'm sure you're wondering, what's that mistake? Have I done it before? Maybe you have. I may even myself have done it in the past. Now here's the common mistake. The common mistake is when they're dealing with their rear wheels and trying to replace the tube themselves to save a few bucks possibly, what they do is when they remove the wheel, they don't take note of the small key that's on the shaft and goes through the hub of the wheel, and they reinstall the wheels without the key in the drive axle. So what is happening here is you have a machine, sure the tires are actually hard now, but it won't drive. So this is what's happening. I'm going to show you quickly how to fix this and what to watch for when you remove or replace a wheel to fix the tire or the tube on your lawn tractor. Now the way you can tell which wheel is missing the key is if you remove the small black cover here, you will see the keyway on the shaft here. And when the wheel turns, the shaft should be turning with the wheel if it's installed correctly. Now if I move this machine here, you will see that the shaft stays stationary. So that indicates right there that there's no key in that wheel. And again, the obvious symptom is that the machine doesn't have a drive anymore. So to fix that issue quickly here, I will use my floor jack. I will get it underneath here, and I'll do one wheel at a time instead of jacking up the whole machine at the rear. Okay, now with a flat screwdriver, you can just pop this clip here out. And you can see the wheel is spinning with no key in there. Now you might want to put anti-seize here before you put the whole wheel back on. So I'll just spray a bit of anti-seize here. Now spin the wheel to get the anti-seize everywhere. Now I'm going to line up the keyways here. And I've saved some key stock from taking apart old scrapped lawn tractors. This is a perfect size of key that goes in there. I believe this is 3/16 key stock. And what I'll do here is just get it in like this. See, now the shaft turns with it. That's what you want to see. Put that there. And it's good if you have a nice cover to put on. It stops the moisture from getting in the rain. Okay, now I've got the right side ready to do the same thing. I'm not sure if the key's gone out of this one, but I'm going to double check anyway. This one actually has the cap, so I just grab it with pliers right here and peel it off. Now if this cap is rock hard from being out in the elements forever and you can't get it off, you can heat it up with a heat gun or a hair dryer. It'll make it easier to pull it off. If I look close on this one too, the key is gone as well. And here's the keyway on that shaft again on this side. And it's the same key that goes on each side, by the way. So this clip here is actually a bit stretched. Now if your clip is stretched, you can always squeeze it again here. Now it's on there tight. Okay, let's try this again. So it was that easy, guys. 2 small little parts that will disable your drive. Even if you're missing one key on one wheel, it will not drive. At the front, it makes no difference. There is no key in the wheel hub and the shaft. So my advice today to you guys, anybody who is not a mechanic, if you're not sure about what you're doing, go to an honest shop, guys. It will cost you less sometimes than if you do it yourself. If you're able to do it yourself, that's great as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.